And our top story on the Night Beat. Explosive allegations in the police shooting of Byron Carter. The Night Beat's Jessica Holloway is live at APD headquarters tonight. Jessica, the Carter family's lawyer is claiming Austin police lied.
Yes, Tyler, this motion filed this week claims that officers within APD lied about what happened and the city's trying to cover it up. Tonight, we have both sides of the story. The Austin police officer who shot and killed 20-year-old Byron Carter in May of 2011 has been back on the job for nearly a year. A grand jury cleared Officer Nathan Wagner of criminal wrongdoing last March, but a civil case against the officer is still pending, and the Carter family's lawyer wants sealed city documents released.
And the city of Austin and the Austin Police Department are going to great lengths to make sure this report is not given to the public, because the report shows a totally different story than the story the police department has put out.
It's not a surprise that they're confidential because by law they are deemed to be confidential.
Robert Ramirez is representing Officer Wagner.
I'd be very happy for them to be released, but the fact of the matter is that I'd be surprised that the other side would want them released. I think there's a lot in there that they may not be too pleased to have out in the public's eye.
Police say Carter and a teenage friend were inside a car just before midnight off East 8th Street when Wagner and his partner approached. APD says the teen drove his car toward one of the officers, forcing Wagner to use deadly force.
He saw his partner struck by the suspect vehicle. He saw his partner go down, and fearing that his partner was underneath that vehicle, potentially being dragged, fired several rounds.
Yes, that's a total lie, 100%. Chief Acevedo and the police department, in saying this officer ruptured his Achilles, literally were looking into the camera and lying. He never ruptured his Achilles, and we believe the evidence clearly shows he was not hurt at all. He was never hit by a car.
Well, that's absurd, because Officer Rodriguez did suffer an Achilles injury, and it wasn't as severe as he was initially told, but it certainly was an injury that kept him off of work.
Loewy says the truth is in the police monitor's report and APD's internal investigation. Those documents are private under state law unless the officer is disciplined, and APD's review board cleared Officer Wagner. And Loewy says because this is a federal case, state law doesn't apply. That's what he plans to argue. And tonight, Chief Art Acevedo sent us this statement saying, quote, Mr. Loewy knows APD does not litigate cases in the media. We let the process take its course. No word yet on when a judge could rule on this motion. Reporting live from police headquarters tonight, I'm Jessica Holloway, KB News.